Good evening. My name is Jaydeep. Uh, Actually, I have started my own virtual assistant service, that is bookkeevirtualservices.com. Now, coming to the point, I want to introduce myself as I started my career as a customer care executive in Wipro. I used to take calls for US customers where I need to solve the ISP problems of the customers. Mainly that time I was working with Windstream. So I worked there around 2 years, and in these 2 years I learned a lot of things. Like taking calls is something like maintaining your tone, your rate of speech, your pronunciation. This factors a lot because this are been dependent on your CSAT and DSAT. Now outbound calling and inbound calling, they both are there. So when you are calling a customer from your decks, that time it becomes a outbound. It might be for a sell or it might not for a sell, but it is calling that depend on rhythm, tone, intonation. So it's an art to take calls and satisfy the customer needs, because the other end, the person who is calling cannot reach me. So the voice is reaching between customer and me. So voice is the main thing that depend on calling factors. I also work with IBM, that is Concentrix right now. In the Uber, I used to support US customers with the emails as well as with their chat. Both drivers and the riders both have been there. We have to support them. We have to solve the emails, whatever they write about their problems. So issues. Other than that, the technical app glitches are there, which we have to solve out throughout the chat. So we serve that, and working on that thing, what happened? I became the quality, one of the part of the quality, and we used to judge according to the parameters that an email, chat, or a voice call should be in which way and which way we can treat that. By doing this, I learned a lot of customer relationship softwares that are mainly dependent, but that dependent from the company to company, that what are the CRM they are going to use for their purpose. Now after that I joined Cognizant. I was working with mortgage and loans, that is also with our US customers. So I have been working in the industry for last 10 years, as well as I started in the beginning. I told you that I started my career as a customer care executive, but after that what happens, I passed out the stages and I became a group leader, from customer care executive to senior executive, after that voice and accent trainer to the group leader. So it's a long journey that I make, and today I am standing with my 2 websites, and I also like to work with the clients which we have been working for a long time with my companies. So right now I think that I should go ahead with my work so I can deliver my 100% quality, because I am very much expert about my administration and support jobs that's needed for a person in an office. That I am already engaged with a tower and structure manufacturing unit, and I used to maintain the Excel sheets of the raw materials that come up to me. The bill of materials, we call it, is the tower structures or electrical tower structures. We used to represent the reports to the clients, and we have to give each and every clarification with the total formula. We have to apply the formulas in the Excel. We have to calculate all the measurements. So all these things are involved in my total career. So I can say you that if I count my 10 years, I worked a lot of projects, and I am a very much web scrappy person. I like to search web. I am already always on the web. So that's why today have built my 2 websites, and I want to promote my websites so that other can know that what the services that I follow. Actually, in my blog, you will find that actually it's Book Ki Knowledge World. That's is totally dependent on the education factor. Education factor means ICSE, ISC, CBSE, IBPS students, class 4 to class 10, class 11, class 12, whatever their queries about what subject they are reading, BA, BSc, BCom, past course they are reading, the many past subjects are there. So I want to help them with their queries. So just I want to tell you that if you give me an opportunity to work in your project, I will prove that I am the best. Nobody can beat me in my skills, whatever I know. That is the quality I possess. You think that it should not be told in so much confident way, but I am very much aware of my skills and my communications. So I can go ahead and talk to an Afro-American well as an American, or you can say well as an UK person. So I haven't that accent how to speak with them. So I believe that I can deliver your project best. You can have a selection with me. You just test me once. I don't want to go ahead and take your money. So you just test me. You just give me a project that yes Charlie, go ahead and do it. After that I will post my original project. You just help me with it. Let me work with you. So what happens? A relation grow up. When a relation grow up, it depends that both of us should be in one platform. So that's it. That's the Jyoti Mukherjee. Thank you.